Students, this is for class 10 NCERT exercise 5.2 question number 9. You are given third term and ninth term. Nth term வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் when a9 equal to 0. So third term means a plus 3 minus 1 into d. So a plus 2d, mark it as equation 1. The ninth term a plus 8 minus 1, 9 minus 1 means a plus 8d equal to minus 8. Now solving 1 and 2, இந்த ரெண்டையும் அப்படியே subtract பண்ணினா you are getting the value of d equal to minus 2. Substitute d value and you are getting a as 8. Now we want to find nth term, that means n. You are given an equal to 0. So a and d you substitute the value, simplify, you are getting n value equal to 5. Thank you.